setting up the system time and date format can be found on page 25 under the heading Set up System Time Mode. What you need to do is key in your admin password 123456 followed by hash, then followed by star, and that will get you to a setup state. So according to the manual, we need to put in the code *19*, and now the system knows it's gonna set up the system time and date format. Next we need to choose the date format. For UK we will do the day, month, year, which comes up as setting number 2. So we put in 2 followed by star. Then it asks us how or which option we need to use for the time setting, whether it's a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock. In our case we'll use the 24-hour clock, which is 1 followed by star, and 3 beeps acknowledges that the command has been successfully entered, and now the system time and date format is to UK day, month, year followed by 24-hour clock.